Alright, here we go. We got Rosemary about to do the cinnamon challenge. Alright, here we go. Where's your spoon at, bruh? Uh-oh.
That's too much.
That was the same amount as everybody else.
Yep.
Oh, what the hell? You're wasting it.
I'm trying to fix it.
Okay, that's good enough. Let me step away, just in case. Remember the technique, Oos. Hold it in there. Oh man. Drink some water. Drink some water. I guess that's a fail. Ooh.
Yeah, that's too thick.
So we're gonna just cut it off right there. I guess we got another one. Fail blog.